See if they put him on trial, he didn't have a prayer. So what do you got for us tomorrow?
You know, we've got some nice weather in store for us again tomorrow. It's going to be muggy again, and if you're going to be out and about, especially in the afternoon, sunscreen is going to be your best friend tomorrow because that sun is very strong. We're only about 3 weeks, 3+ weeks away from the start of summer, and this is that period where the sun's especially strong right now. Now, outside this evening, we got beautiful conditions out there. Nice look up towards the north. You can see the Capitol and the UT Tower out there. Temperature-wise, still sitting at 83. We have a light wind. And dew point numbers about as low as they've been all weekend long at 63. That's still kind of sticky numbers. We can usually feel the air when the dew point numbers are in the 60s or higher. We have had them in the 70s this weekend, so 63 not all that bad. Current air temperature at 79 in Fredericksburg. Still 84 Georgetown and Rockdale. You factor in that humidity. Most of the readings about a degree or two warmer feeling out there this evening. And again, heat index values tomorrow will be a concern again with numbers generally about 94 to 96 tomorrow afternoon, so you're going to just need to take a little bit extra caution once again outdoors tomorrow afternoon. Now today, this evening, we had some thunderstorms again out in West Texas. A couple of tornado warnings for this cell right there, but you can see that's falling apart. I think we may see a few of those clouds though drifting through our area later on tonight. Now out in the tropics, we've got Tropical Storm Beryl, barely a tropical storm as it's starting to make landfall near Florida, near the Jacksonville coast this evening. We've got winds at 70 miles an hour, so just 4 miles an hour away from getting that hurricane status, and I don't think it's going to happen. It is starting to make its way inland a little bit. It will continue on this path to the west, but slowing down and then eventually turning back towards the northeast as we head into the work week, and possibly again becoming a tropical storm by Tuesday or Wednesday afternoons. The big reason it's going to turn, you can see this big trough right here on the upper air map, or on the water vapor map. As I put this into motion, you'll notice this big trough here and this ridge that's developed across this part of the country. That ridge is going to get replaced as this trough moves eastward the next couple of days, and what that's going to do is put some pressure on that hurricane or that tropical storm, and that should eventually push it back into the Atlantic. For us, what it's going to do is keep our weather rather quiet the next couple of days, but as that trough starts to center itself over the central part of the country by the midweek, it will actually allow a little cool front to slide down into our backyards on Thursday, and it'll give us a slight chance of rain and some drier air for the end of the work week into starting next weekend. So tonight, we'll see a few scattered clouds. That south breeze relatively light throughout the evening. It will pick up a bit during the day tomorrow, but all in all, expecting partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies once again tomorrow afternoon. You'll see a few more of those showers and thunderstorms out in West Texas tomorrow along that dry line. They don't get close to our area, so we'll stay dry for Memorial Day, and we're going to be dry for Tuesday and Wednesday's afternoons as well, as we're going to have kind of a south to southwest wind, which will actually dry out the lower levels just a little bit and try to get rid of some of that humidity. So tonight, 73 expected for our overnight low. We'll see south winds at about 5 to 10. Tomorrow, going to look pretty much like today, maybe a degree or two warmer across the area. I'll call for 93 here in the city with south winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. I do think we get warmer on Tuesday and Wednesdays. We'll hit 94 both afternoons, but the payoff should come on Thursday when we only hit 89, which will be normal with that slight chance of rain behind that front. Drier air moves in for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with highs in the upper 80s to low 90s.